So today's task is to find a better Ford Transit Custom than what we've had come in with us today. This is one hell of a van. Ford Transit Custom 320. It's a GT Carbon Edition. So it's got a lot of exterior bespoke styling, interior styling. With it being a 320, the spec list on this is huge as well. It's probably one of the best looking vans I've seen. So it's a cracking van, 23 plate, done just over 13,000 miles, finished in gunmetal grey. The exterior styling, I'll have to fit it all in, but there's just loads of finer details. Carbon, absolutely everywhere as you'd expect with it being a carbon edition. So you've got bonnet scoops, full front end has all been changed, so the grille has been changed. You've also got these bright orange accents that you do see on a lot of these custom vans. Front bumper, front splitter, again, very different to what you'd see on a standard custom. Bi-xenon HIDs, so significantly brighter light than what you would see on your regular standard custom again. And then the full exterior just continues. 20-inch multi-spoke gloss black alloys, so again, just fit the full design of this van. Bright orange accents, carbon, just absolutely everywhere. Side skirts as well, just giving it a bit of a lower feel. This one being a 2-litre diesel again. Good power, not too expensive to run on fuel, so if you are going to use it as a work vehicle, bearing in mind this is a VAT qualifying van, then you're not going to be too hard on your pocket. 5-seat configuration, 2 in the front, 3 in the back, and the colour scheme continues on the interior, so those seats are a combination of leather, suede, and then also different colours. You've got Napa leather, suede, orange accents all the way through. 3 seats in the back, like I mentioned, you've also got that table in there as well. So this, to me, is a vehicle for people who want a van, but more for leisure vehicles. Can I honestly see this pulling up on a building site? Probably not. But can I see it being used for the weekend away with motorbikes, bikes, mountain biking, whatever it is, camping, caravanning? It can do all those, no problem. Wide arches front and rear. You probably get a better example of them when you come to the back. Dual exhaust, huge fixed spoiler. It's also got a ClearSight rear view camera, which I'll show you when we go at the front. Huge opening in the back. So that, for me, can be used for whatever on earth you want to put in there. Like I've mentioned, motorcycles, bicycles, mountain biking, luggage, suitcases, whatever it is. Camping equipment, tents, you've just got absolutely loads of space in the back there. You've also got a rear view camera to help you park it if you're not used to driving a van, but that ClearSight rear view is something I've only seen on Land Rover product. Dual side doors, I think I mentioned, so regardless of which side, you've got access to both. Interior spec, so when I was sat in the front of this and the camera hopefully picks it up, it's just absolutely littered with carbon, so door cards, steering wheel. If you have a look at that steering wheel, I can't imagine that was a cheap part of the conversion, to be honest. It looks very expensive, feels very good as well. Seat combination and colour combination just continues from the front. Sorry, the mileage is 16, not 13, apologies, but again, very well maintained, very well looked after the van. A person who's going to spend this amount of money on making a van look like this is obviously going to look after it as well. You've got bits of spec on here I wouldn't expect to see on a Transit Custom. Traffic sign recognition, adaptive cruise. These seats are heated. It's also an automatic, which for me is a huge one. We've had manuals in the past which sell very well, but an auto, especially if you're doing rural driving, you're up in the hills, mountains, wherever you are, then that's going to come in handy. Heated seats we've mentioned, different display, again, surrounded by carbon. So this is a touchscreen display and comes standard with nav. So you can use Apple CarPlay, Android if you want, or it's got the Ford nav in there already. ClearSight rear view. If you don't know what that is, basically, there is a HD camera in the middle of the rear door, just showing you exactly what you can see, because from a standard one, you're not going to see an awful lot. Armrest, so again, ultimate comfort, but it's just got a really sporty, cool feel about this. The person who sees this will know exactly and understand what it is, the colour combination, the quality of it. You've also got, if I start it up, you have a rear view camera. Again, if you're not used to driving a van like this, or if it's something that's a little bit new to you, then you've got the rear view camera to help with that. There's power sockets absolutely all over. So if you are going to use it as a work van, a VAT qualifying commercial is what it is. You've got USBs over here, so if you use iPads, laptops, stuff like that to go and value jobs and survey jobs, you can do that. There's even an actual 3-pin socket down here, so if you want to charge, I don't know, charge up your cool box or stereo, whatever it is, wireless speaker, whatever you're taking away with you for the weekend, you've got everything here. It's just been very, very well thought out. The cost of the GT Carbon won't have been cheap, but they've been very expensive. You'll be talking thousands. And then the person who's owned it has just kept it in very, very good condition. So if you are interested in looking for a very unique van, then contact myself, the number's below, and I look forward to speaking to you.